JT presents My Cool Bolt-On, featuring legendary pay-as-you-go hits like How Am I Supposed to Text Without You? When a Man Loves a Woman Who Lives Abroad, and the timeless How Can We Be Lovers If We Can't Get Online and Stuff. This is the definitive pay-as-you-go bolt-on collection with text for just 1p, data downloads for 1p per meg, and international calls for just 6p a minute. Get the ultimate in flexible pay-as-you-go deals. Ask for My Cool Bolt-On at the JT shop or visit jtglobal.com. Terms and conditions apply. Join together with JT.
I wanna be your sole provider.